No. Who's that? Say hi. Say hi.
That's me.
How the hell do you guys know about that already?
Do you see yourself? Is it you?
Look at me saying shame.
Great, that's fantastic.
Well, I think it's wonderful that you're dating such a classy, well-educated girl like Lauren Conrad. It's such an idiot, Brian.
Asleep.
Yeah, you know something, Brian?
Where'd he go?
A late night monologue.
Where'd he go? Where'd Hayden go?
Is that you?
Oh, there he is. Are you talking to yourself?
You see the news about Lauren Conrad, Brian Griffin. You know, a lot of these young Bollywood girls carry the little dogs around in their purse, but Lauren carries one.
To Peekaboo. Peekaboo! There's Hayden.
Lauren Conrad and Brian Griffin.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd Hayden go? Uh-oh. Peekaboo, there Hayden. Where'd Hayden go? Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Peekaboo, there goes Hayden. Whoa, hey, we went black. There you are.
Famous for being famous.